Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in GPT Store in OpenAI, you're going to see one of the results there, depending on when you see this video, called Introducing the GPT Store by OpenAI. It's here where OpenAI will explain basically an area of custom coding for OpenAI that will allow you to get access to unique connections to ChatGPT and the GPT engine, in addition to having your own GPT in the store for monetization purposes. And those that do create a GPT for the GPT store, as a recording of this session, will be paid according to the user engagement on their GPTs. So it's a good idea to explore the nature of the current GPTs that are available, as well as the method for creating and uploading your own GPT to the GPT store and giving others access to it for revenue opportunities. Now, there's a video course that will explain the GPT creation and configuration process. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.